Eversource, we're very excited to be rolling out this new technology and starting in Springfield, the city of first.
Today's event celebrates the power of partnership between two respected institutions committed to innovation, sustainability, and community progress. Together with Eversource, we're honoring the past while building a smarter, more resilient future for all.
At Eversource, we know our customers are concerned about the cost and affordability and how to manage their energy usage, and we're going to be putting information at their fingertips, allowing them to understand their usage in near real time.
We've seen great adoption of this technology around the world. In North America, these systems are working securely and safely.
I can now, as a consumer, get better insights into my energy usage and also lower my costs. If there is an outage, the length of the outage can be mitigated. That's a huge benefit to all of us.
The reality is we still have plenty of work to do. We still have over 1.5 million meters to exchange in Massachusetts, starting with the over 200,000 just here in the Western Mass territory. Once we're done here, we'll move over to the eastern part of the state. There we'll be working on those installations through the end of 2027.
This technology is going to be a game changer for our customers.